He's about to peel off. He's peeling off. Back up, back up. He opened the door. Oh my fucking God. He's inside the restaurants and officers now.
Back up.
Aren't you entertained?
He gets here, he gets scared. And cut it right there.
Yeah.
Cut it right there.
Okay. Aren't you entertained?
Shop and deliver offer 9.2 miles, 41 minutes total. Check the app for more info.
Yo!
Let's see what happens. Yo, and I got you on camera too.
Where's your emergency?
Officers, McDonald's, Hispanic, black cap, threatening employees, saying that punch in your mouth right now. He has a gray Acura.
Gray Acura. What kind of male?
Yeah, send them right now. It's long hair. Yeah, send them right now. He's literally threatening the manager. Send them now. Send them now. He's literally threatening him.
Get you a little bit further.
He's literally in the second window. The second window of the parking lot. He's still here.
Okay. It's gonna be the second window in the parking lot.
He's walking towards.
It's gonna be male threatening the employees.
Long hair. Long hair.
Long hair.
Black cap. Spanish.
Black male.
No. Black cap. Long hair.
Hat.
Yes, sir.
White male, black
He's
male.
about to peel off. He's peeling off right now. Acura. Gray. Black gray.
Alright. They said he's leaving now in a gray Acura.
He's coming. He's walking right now towards the entrance. He's trying to open the door.
Where's it? You're gonna. Okay.
He opened the door. Oh my fucking God! Why they didn't close the door?
Put a push on it.
He's in. He's inside the restaurants and officers now.
Alright, they're coming.
I'm been waiting for my lady.
Bro, this guy's training people. You want to help?
Nah, I'm good.
Okay, see ya.
Get out of my face. First of all, bro, let me go, bro. Papi, mira, yo te estoy tratando de vender y él también es malcriado. Nigga, you waited until it was a certain time to serve me. Y'all niggas is not slick, gang. Y'all not slick. Yes, and I was here before a las 4. Yes or no?
Yo, what's going on? Back up.
I'm good.
Back up. Back up.
Who you?
Back up.
Who else is involved? You?
Just him. This is my manager.
He waited to act.
Papa, back up. Va para adentro. Tranquilo, papá, tranquilo.
Dile que te quiso pegar.
Why did you come inside?
Because they're trying to.
Puta, ¿quién nos cerró la puerta, Jostyn?
Nigga, I Outside. Listen, can I finish? Can I finish, bro?
Stop talking. I'm not, no, stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. I don't care. No, stop talking. I'm gonna listen to you. I'm gonna listen to you. You're gonna stop talking. You're gonna stop talking. You're gonna stop talking.
So they said they don't want to service there, bro. You're gonna have to go somewhere else. Wendy, whoever you want.
That's foul though. You feel me? Like I came before the time, and they tried to stop me from taking my order. They waited until the time after. That's why I was just trying to talk to you. I'm not trying to disrespect. I'm not trying to.
I'm gonna punch in the fucking mouth. I'm gonna punch in the fucking mouth. That's what he keeps on saying to my manager. That's a threat already. Everything on videos, guys.
They're private business. They don't have to.
Bitch. Almost.
Looking for your next one.
Almost. And of course he's speeding. Officer, thank you so much. So,
This offer was declined.
Kings, come inside. What are you talking about? Yes, Kings, come inside. Why? Like what the hell? Of course. Let me open the banquet. What the hell? Hell yeah. ¿Viste los dos? ¿Viste los dos policías? Literalmente dicen que no han comido todo el día ya. No sé, eso me acaban de decir. Por eso los acabo de mandar para acá adentro, no jodas. Nos acaban de venir a sacar ese hijo de puta de acá y no les van a dar de comer. Les pago todo yo si quieren, papá.
¿Se puede ordenar o no?
Yo les pago todo, papá.
No, man, I'll pay. I don't care, pero
Thank you so much, man.
es que no hay nada de eso.
So,
Put the part where
I got everything.
no, but put the part once he gets here, he gets scared, and cut it right there.
Yeah.
Cut it right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
He
so,
got-
So
he
when
got-
you upload it,
Yeah,
of course,
mhm.
but because we didn't do anything wrong. But once,
Not at all.
Once he gets scared, then cut it right there. You know why? That's going to get more people to go to your channel because they want to see more.
It's right there, and thank you for the advice.
Of course.
I'm going, man.
Lions, brother. You guys are
Be safe,
lions.
bro.
You guys are lions, like walking among us, bro.